the upcoming Sony FX3 II camera is generating significant excitement in the world of videography. Expected to release as early as March 2024, the FX3 II is rumored to feature groundbreaking advancements, including a possible 12-megapixel global shutter sensor. Building on the success of its predecessor, the FX3, this new model aims to blend high-end video capabilities with a compact, user-friendly design. The upcoming release of the Sony FX3 II has sparked speculation that it could potentially replace not just the original FX3, but also render the need for a dedicated A7S IV model obsolete. This raises an intriguing question: will Sony continue to maintain separate product lines for its video-focused alpha cameras, or will it consolidate them under the hybrid FX3 family? Adding fuel to this discussion are rumors from Chinese sources suggesting that the FX3 II could feature a 12-megapixel global shutter sensor. While such claims should be taken with a grain of salt given their speculative nature, Sony's clear prioritization of global shutter technology makes such an implementation not entirely implausible. However, the success of the original FX3 and the expected success of its successor have put Sony in a challenging position should they continue both the A7S and FX3 lines or merge them into a single, unified product family. When comparing the A7S III and FX3 side by side, the similarities between the two cameras are striking. Both feature the same 12-megapixel full-frame BSIC MOS sensor, the same Bionz XR processor, 5.5 stops of image stabilization, 759 autofocus points, a fully articulated screen, a continuous drive mode of 10 FPS, the ability to shoot 4K at 120p, and dual CFexpress Type A South Dakota card slots. The primary difference lies in their design. The A7S III includes an electronic viewfinder, while the FX3 does not, as Sony designed the latter to be smaller and lighter, operating under the assumption that most serious videographers would use an external monitor. For videographers who prefer a larger grip, a more substantial body, and the ability to shoot with an electronic viewfinder, the potential discontinuation of the A7S line would be a disappointment. The A7S series, first launched in June 2014, revolutionized compact full-frame video cameras, offering videographers unrivaled video capabilities in the same body as the existing alpha cameras. It completed the trio of available camera lines, with the main A7 range offering hybrid video and photo capabilities, the A7R focusing on resolution, and the A7S focusing on video and sensitivity. The potential merger of the A7S line into the FX3 product family reflects broader trends in the camera industry, where manufacturers are streamlining their product lines to reduce overlap and focus on innovation. While this strategy could lead to a more unified and potentially more powerful product, it also means bidding farewell to a beloved line of cameras that has served the video community well for nearly a decade. Proponents of the merger argue that combining the strengths of the A7S and FX3 lines could result in a truly exceptional camera that meets the needs of both videographers and photographers alike. By consolidating resources and engineering efforts, Sony could potentially create a camera that offers unparalleled video capabilities, exceptional low-light performance, and a versatile design that caters to a wide range of shooting styles and preferences. Critics, however, contend that the unique identities and specialized features of the A7S and FX3 lines should be preserved. They argue that by catering to different audiences and shooting styles, these separate product lines have allowed Sony to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible in both realms. Merging them, they fear, could lead to compromises and a dilution of the specialized capabilities that have made each line so beloved in their respective communities. Ultimately, the decision lies in Sony's hands, and it will be a delicate balancing act to navigate the diverse needs and preferences of their user base. Will the FX3 II meet the needs of videographers who have relied on the A7S series? Or should Sony continue to develop both lines independently, catering to the unique demands of each community? Only time will tell how this potential shift in Sony's camera lineup will unfold. But one thing is certain: the photography and videography communities will be watching closely, eager to see how this influential manufacturer will shape the future of imaging technology. Let's talk about Sony, another upcoming camera, FX30 II. In the fast-paced world of digital photography, Sony continues to push the boundaries with its innovative camera designs. Scheduled for release in the fourth quarter of 2025, the Sony FX30 II promises to revolutionize the mirrorless camera landscape with its cutting-edge features and advancements. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the integration of an AI chip, elevating the camera's capabilities to new heights. At the heart of the Sony FX30 II is its 26.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering stunning image quality and clarity. Paired with the powerful Bion's XR AI processing unit, this sensor not only captures intricate details but also uses artificial intelligence to enhance overall performance. The AI-based real-time tracking AF system ensures sharp focus on subjects, even in challenging shooting conditions, providing photographers with greater creative freedom and precision. Another standout feature of the Sony FX30 II is its 8-stop, 5-axis pixel-level image stabilization, minimizing blur and ensuring smooth, steady footage. Whether shooting handheld or in motion, this feature enables photographers to capture sharp images and videos with confidence, even in low-light environments. In the realm of video recording, the Sony FX30 II excels with the ability to shoot UHD 4K footage up to 120p, delivering cinematic quality visuals with remarkable clarity and detail. The inclusion of 10-bit 422xa VCSI and 16-bit RAW output options provides filmmakers with flexibility in post-production, while support for S-Cinetone, S-Log3, and HLG ensures versatile color grading options and a dynamic range of 14 stops. Designed for versatility, the Sony FX30 II boasts a compact form factor for cage-free use, allowing photographers to adapt seamlessly to any shooting scenario. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or intimate portraits, this camera offers unmatched mobility without sacrificing performance. For professionals seeking maximum storage flexibility, the Sony FX30 II features dual CFexpress Type SD card slots, ensuring ample space for high-resolution images and videos. Additionally, the camera supports user LUTs and timecode sync, empowering filmmakers to maintain consistency and streamline their post-production workflow. One of the most notable enhancements of the Sony FX30 II is its standard ISO range of 1:0032:000 with dual base ISO capabilities optimizing performance in varying lighting conditions. This feature ensures exceptional image quality and reduced noise, allowing photographers to push the boundaries of creativity even in challenging environments. In conclusion, the Sony FX30 II represents a significant leap forward in mirrorless camera technology, combining state-of-the-art features with unparalleled performance. With its AI chip integration, advanced autofocus system, and impressive image stabilization capabilities, this camera is poised to redefine the way photographers capture the world. Whether shooting stills or recording video, the Sony FX30 II sets a new standard for excellence, empowering users to unleash their creativity and achieve stunning results.